Hi you guys, welcome to Cooking with Audrey. Today we are making fried pickles. Now I'm sure you have a family member who loves pickles. My husband, he's guilty as charged. He loves pickles, so much so. So we are going to make fried pickles today. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get right into it, okay? So what you're going to need is buttermilk. You're gonna need 2 bowls. We're gonna do about 2 cups. Okay. Gonna do a cup of flour. Then we're gonna do an egg. Now, we're just going to hand spin this around. Okay, next we are going to be doing some breadcrumbs. Okay, we're going to sprinkle in here about 2 cups or so. Okay, put salt, pepper to taste. I like to use Himalayan salt on everything. And then whatever your mixture is that you like on everything. All right. So that looks good. It's not lumpy. We got our mixture going on. So before we assemble the pickles, we're going to spray. Our basket. Give that a good whack. Now we're going to open up our pickle jar. All right. Now I have these already cut. I suggest you buy the same. Now you're gonna lather that in there, get it all good and sticky together. Now next, we're gonna put it in our breadcrumb consistency. Keep on going until you don't see anymore. All right, now that looks good. I'll put that on right there. So basically what we're gonna do now is we're going to take this and put little dill leaves on top, just for garnish and for flavor. All right, so I try to do at least 3 leaves per pickle. So now we're gonna put this in the Ninja FOODI Air for 370 for 10 minutes, and we'll see how it's looking. And put it on the 3rd level. Be sure to take out your rack. Look like. Oh yeah, they look good and crispy. Good and crispy. All right, so now we're gonna put these on a plate. Now I'm gonna try 2 of them and the other 2 are for my husband. Now you can technically serve this with ranch or Chick-fil-A sauce, whatever rocks your boat. So I'm gonna try one without the ranch, and then the next one we're gonna dip it with the ranch. Take a bite first. All right, well, we dipped it first in ranch. So we're gonna try the second bite without the ranch. It's pretty good. It's crispy, it's warm, tastes pretty good. Now we're gonna try it without the ranch. We're gonna see how that is. Now, I wish I could have got more of the breadcrumbs to stay on. They were on, but some of them fell off once they hit the basket. Now, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my shorts. See you next week. Bye for now.